Today we will study about the packing efficiency of solids. Now, packing efficiency is defined as the percentage of total space occupied by the particles, where the particles can be either atom, ions, molecules, and they are represented here in the form of a sphere. So, the packing efficiency can be calculated as volume occupied by the spheres in the unit cell divided by the total volume of the unit cell multiplied by 100. Packing efficiency can be calculated as volume occupied by the spheres in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell multiplied by 100. Let us calculate the packing efficiency of simple cubic lattice or unit cell. Now, this type of unit cell arises as a result of square packing of these spheres, where the spheres are placed only at the corners of the unit cell. This is the primitive unit cell of simple cubic lattice. Here the atoms are placed at the corners of the unit cell, and they arises as a result of square packing of the spheres. Let us have the view. Here this is the edge length of the unit cell. This is the unit cell of the simple primitive cubic unit cell, where the atoms are placed only at the corners of the unit cell. And we can see that these spheres, circumference of these two spheres along the edge length A touches each other. The circumference of the spheres present along the edge length touch each other. So, in this case, this edge length A will be equal to twice of the radius of the spheres packed. So, let us find out the packing efficiency of the simple primitive cubic unit cell. Now, it is represented by the figure or the diagram. Here the edge length A is equal to twice of R. Now we can see from the model also, this edge length A is equal to twice of R, and here it is a primitive unit cell of simple cubic unit cell. Now let us calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. Now this unit cell have edge length A. It is represented by edge length is represented by A. All the three edge lengths are equal to each other in a cubic unit cell. This edge length A is equal to twice of R. Since the spheres in this type of packing, the spheres placed at the corners of the unit cell touch each other, so A is equal to twice of R, or R will be equal to A by 2. Now let us calculate the packing efficiency. The volume of the cubic, we know that the volume of the cubic unit cell is represented by A cube. Now if we represent A in terms of R, A cube will be equal to twice of R raised to the power cube, whole raised to the power cube, is equal to 8R cube. It means the volume of the cubic unit cell is equal to 8R cube. And in a simple cubic unit cell, the number of atom or the sphere per unit cell comes out to be 1. Here the atoms are present only at the corners of the unit cell, and we know that the contribution of corner is only 1 by 8. So 8 multiplied by 1 by 8 will give you 1. So the number of atom per unit cell in this primitive unit cell comes out to be 1. So the volume occupied by the spheres in this unit cell per unit cell will be equal to 1 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r represents the radius of the sphere. The volume occupied or the space occupied by the spheres in the unit cell will be equal to 1 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube, because there is only one atom per unit cell. Now let us, here the volume of the cubic unit cell is equal to 8 r cube, and the volume occupied by the spheres in the unit cell is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the packing efficiency can be calculated as volume occupied by one atom or the sphere present in this unit cell divided by the volume of the cubic unit cell multiplied by 100. So this will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is the volume occupied by one sphere present per unit cell, divided by 8 r cube, that is the volume occupied by the unit cell, multiplied by 100. This r will cancel, and if we simplify or calculate, it will be equal to pi by 6 multiplied by 100, and that will give you 52.36%. So the packing efficiency in the primitive cubic unit cell or simple cubic lattice will be equal to 52.36%. Thank you.